Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video thumbnail from your mobile phone. YouTube video thumbnail is an important part of your video, as it's the first thing that your audience will see when they come across your video on YouTube. So, in this video, I will be showing you a step-by-step process to make a YouTube video thumbnail from your mobile. Step 1. Choose an image. The first step in making a YouTube video thumbnail is choosing an image that represents your video content. You can either take a photo or choose an existing image from your phone's gallery. Make sure the image is high quality and related to your video content. Step 2. Open a thumbnail maker app. Next, open a thumbnail maker app on your mobile phone. There are many thumbnail maker apps available on both iOS and Android platforms. For this video, I will be using the Canva app, which is a free and easy-to-use thumbnail maker app. Step 3. Create a new design. Once you've opened the app, create a new design and select the YouTube thumbnail size. The recommended size for YouTube video thumbnail is 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. This will ensure that your thumbnail looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Step 4. Add your image. Now, it's time to add your chosen image to the design. Simply select the Uploads option on the app and choose the image you want to use. Once you've uploaded your image, you can resize it and move it around to fit the thumbnail size. Step 5. Add text and graphics. To make your thumbnail more engaging and informative, you can add text and graphics to it. This can include the title of your video, your channel logo, and any other relevant information. To add text and graphics, simply select the Text and Graphics options on the app and customize them to your liking. Step 6. Save and export your thumbnail. Once you're happy with your thumbnail design, it's time to save and export it. Simply select the Export option on the app and choose the file format you want to save it in. I recommend saving it in either PNG or JPG format for the best quality. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a YouTube video thumbnail from your mobile phone. With the help of a thumbnail maker app like Canva, it's easy to create a professional-looking thumbnail that will attract more viewers to your videos. So, go ahead and give it a try for your next YouTube video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.